Hi, what's up YouTube? My name is me. I'm a photographer based in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a mixer brush for your frequency separation. I understand the fact that you find it difficult before. I actually find it difficult before to use a mixer brush for my frequency separation. All I do is just pick my laser tool, laser tool, then highlight this place, then go to filter, blur, then Gaussian blur. So that's what I do before. But mixer brush is kind of more professional and it's not as hard as you think. It's kind of very easy. So I'm going to be taking you through the step by step on how you can do it and do it perfectly well. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. So if you haven't checked the behind the scene of this image, I'll put the link in the description below so that you guys can check how this image was created. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive into it. So basically what we are going to be doing is we are going to be working with frequency separation using our mixer brush. That's the basic thing we are going to be doing. So that's what we are going to be focused on. So first thing I'm going to do is just to run through my actions. I have tons of actions here. I downloaded from Pinterest, so you can also download yours, or you can create yours too. So the first thing I'm going to do is just run through my action, then I'll put my radius 5.5 or 6 is fine by me. I won't actually tell you the kind of radius you should use. You just have to find the perfect radius for your image depending on your image too. So I'm just going to click OK. Okay, so I'll be working with my low frequency layer. So let me pick my mixer brush. Yeah, this is my mixer brush. So as you can see, my settings, my width is 30, load is 20, mix is 15, flow is 10. Then I don't really know this one. I don't know. I don't really know this side. But then this one is 6. I don't know. Yeah, so the golden rule about mixer brush is that you don't paint from a highlight to shadow. You don't paint from highlight to shadow. You paint one portion, then you release your hand from your mouse, especially if you are using a mouse like I am. So you just have to paint a portion. You paint a portion like this, you remove your hand from your mouse, then you paint another portion. So that's how you get an amazing result. So let's just try something out and see how it's been done. So you paint this place, then release your hand from your mouse, then you paint another portion, then release your hand from your mouse, then paint another portion, then release your hand, you paint another portion, then you paint another portion, then you use your hand. So you're just painting portions, then releasing your hand. You don't paint like this. No, you don't paint like that. So you paint per portion. So I just hope I'm really making sense. I just hope I'm really sounding well. Yeah, so you just paint the portion, then release your hand from your mouse, then paint, use your hand, paint your highlight. These are highlights. Then you use your hand, paint this place, release your hand, paint this place, then release your hand, paint this place, then release your hand. So that's how you paint all through to get an effective frequency separation using mixer brush. Yeah, I just hope I'm really making sense. I just hope this really helps someone, because I really find it very difficult to do. I think I was using laser tool for I think years before I finally find out how to use mixer brush. Yeah, let's see before and after. Let's see what we've done, and let's see before and after. So if we've really done a lot. So I really don't want to fast forward this image so that it will not be like I did some magic. So I want to take you guys through the frequency separation, how it's been done. So just the basic thing there is just that paint one portion, release your hand from your mouse, then paint another portion, paint, then release your hand, come to another place, paint, release. As you can see, I am sure you can hear the sound of my mouse the way it's moving. Then I'm painting this portion, then once I'm leaving, then I remove my hand, paint this portion. When I remove my hand, paint this portion. When I'm leaving, I remove my hand. So that's basically how you run frequency separation using a mixer brush. So I just go through this place and see. Okay, this is shadow. Then you run the shadow. Then once you are done with the shadow, then you leave it. Then you come to the highlight. Then the shadow. You can see how I'm painting. I'm not really painting everything. I'm just painting portions. It's very easy, very easy. It's not as hard as I really thought it is. So it's just easy. It's just painting. You don't need to pick any sample or something. You just paint. That's what you do. And as you can see, I'm changing my radius to the size of what I really want to paint. It's not that I'm using a big size like this all through. So I'm changing the size of my brush. I don't really know how it works on Wacom tablet, but I'm sure it's still the same method. But for those that are using mouse, I think this is the best method. So it's very easy, very easy. You don't need to buy a Wacom tablet to retouch. If you don't, if you have extra cash to spend on Wacom tablet, it's fine. It's very good for retouching. But if you know you don't, you need to practice using mouse. So let's see the before and after. So before and after, before and after, before and after. So you see that we've really done an amazing job. So there's not really difficult thing about this thing. Just know the golden rule is that you don't paint the highlight and the shadow together. You take it one after the other. You paint some particular parts, then you release your hand from your mouse, then you paint the other. So that's basically what it entails. I think before I'm always painting it wrongly, but now I think I'm okay. Yeah. If you take your time to really paint well, so that you get the right results you really want. As you can see, I'm really so let me just stop here. For the sake of this video, I will just really stop here so you guys can see. So there's not really much a mixer brush. What you do is just pick your mixer brush, make sure your settings are alright, then paint, work on your low frequency layer, then paint a particular portion, release your hand from your mouse, paint another, then that's how you do it all through. So I hope I'm really making sense. I hope I'm not really just talking. Yeah, I just hope this helps somebody out there. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I pull up a new video, you can be notified. Yeah, so thanks for dropping by. Until next time, remember to stay motivated, stay inspired, and never stop creating. Peace out.